So hello guys, in this session we're gonna discuss about how to send emails with Python. So for this we have a standard library in Python that is the SMTP library, where SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay, for sending a mail in Python, the first thing that we need to do is if you don't have the specific library in your system installed, go to the terminal and type the following command: pip install smtp lib. So this will keep you going. This will install the whole smtp library in your terminal, in your system basically. So wait for a few minutes depending on your internet speed, and once you are done with this, you can go for pip3 also, whichever you like. There is no issue with it. So once we are done with the installation, so let's code it. So let's start by importing the SMTP library. Import, okay, that's a spelling mistake. Import SMTP lib. Okay, so we are done with the importing of the library. Once we have imported the library, so we have to now what we have to set the server. That is, for server we are going to use s is equal to, okay, smtp dot okay, lib dot smtp. Okay, so what we are gonna basically do here is that we are gonna tell the library that I'm gonna use a specific email. That is in my case it's a Gmail account. So here we are gonna tell the host is Gmail. So how we tell that is smtp dot gmail dot com. This is the host here. In your condition it can be anything, be it Yahoo or your Outlook account, anything. You can find the host providers on the internet easily. So the second parameter for this server command is the port number. So in my condition the port number is 587. It would be the same throughout, but if you're using some other providers apart from Gmail, you can search them online, so that's not an issue. So with this we have set the server. So what we have to do next is we have to make the server secure. That is by adding a transport layer security. For that we have to type we have to use st star tls. That is, we are starting the transport layer security here. This basically ensures that the whole messaging part with the SMTP library and the system or your computer basically is secure. So we are done with the secure part and we are done with the server part. So what next? Next is login. So for login, we'll go to server.login, and in this login part we have two parameters again. The first parameter is the email address that you're going to use. Uh, so gmail.com. Okay. Okay, sorry, oops. So we are done with the login Gmail account. The next parameter for the login is the password. The password that we have for this specific ID. My condition, the password is pretty straightforward. Okay, yeah. So with this we are done with the login. Basically what I would suggest you guys is that use emails which email providers which basically provide you emails over less secure applications, because it's seen that most of the time errors are raised. Okay, I missed something here. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, now that's complete. Basically, errors are raised not because there is an error in the program or the code, but the provider that you are trying to access through the SMTP library is not allowing SMTP, as it considers it to be a less secured app. So you make sure that you have turned on the less secure app within the settings of your email providers, and then we are good to go. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna write a message. So the message here can be anything, whatever you want to send. How can I say what you want to send basically? So the message here is whatever you guys want to send. Okay, so we are done with the login, we are done with the message. The for last thing we have to do is that is send. So server dot send mail. With this command server dot send mail, we have three parameters to suggest. The first parameter being the sender's email address, the email address that is your own email address. So for this I will just copy this email from here and paste it down here. Okay, so that was the first parameter. The second parameter here is the receiver's email address, the one whom you want to send. So basically it is Jerry. Okay, that's not Jerry 124, that's Jerry Sen 124. Okay, okay, gmail.com. Why is that happening? So this was the second parameter, and the third parameter here is the message itself. The message, remember the message where we stored the message that we wanted to send. Okay, so with this, till this part of the code, the message is sent, the mail is sent through the server. So what we want to do here is that we want to tell ourselves, or we want to print in the terminal that the message is delivered. Mail mail sent. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to quit the server. Quit. Okay, am I missing something? Let me check the whole code. Okay, that's import stmp oh sorry, smtp gmail.com. okay, sorry, TLS, okay, message, okay, so everything seems to be fine and running. So let's save the code and run the code. Make sure your internet is turned on during the whole process. Okay, yeah, so it's running perfectly fine. Mail send. Okay, yeah, sure. So that was it, guys. So this was how you send basic emails on Python. So guys, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel, and do comment if you are getting any kind of errors. Hope so we'll be able to solve it together. And guys, do comment on the next videos that you want to see on, or which kind of tutorials you want on Python or any language specifically. And hope to see you in the next one.